Hey everyone, Extreme Crypto here. Ever wondered when to sell or buy your Polkadot? Well, today we'll be looking at key levels. We'll go through this video explaining how I got to this conclusion, what Polkadot is all about, and look at these key levels. I've done my own calculation using the stock to flow as an indication. Stock to flow is based off Bitcoin. And due to the fact that a lot of coins rise when Bitcoin rises, and a lot of coins fall when Bitcoin falls, I've come to a conclusion and my own strategy how I can calculate what the possibilities is for all the different coins. Now let's get to Polkadot. Parachains are live. The wait is over. Parachain launch is here. Polkadot. True interoperability. Polkadot enables cross-blockchain transfer of a type of data or asset, not just tokens. Connecting to Polkadot gives you the ability to interoperate with a wide variety of blockchains in the Polkadot network. Economic and transactional scalability. Polkadot provides unprecedented economic scalability by enabling a common set of validators to secure multiple blockchains. Polkadot provides transactional scalability by spreading transactions across multiple parachain blockchains. Easy blockchain innovation. Create a custom blockchain in minutes using the Substrate framework. Connect your chain to Polkadot and get interoperability and security from day one. This ease of development helps Polkadot network grow. High energy efficiency. Polkadot consumes a small fraction of the energy used by conventional blockchains, thanks to its next generation nominated proof of stakes model. Using the equivalent of 6.6 US households worth of energy per year, Polkadot has the lowest carbon footprint among proof of stake protocols analyzed in recent research. Security for everyone. Polkadot's novel data availability and validity scheme allows chains to interact with each other in a meaningful way. Chains remain independent in their governments, but united in their security. User-driven governments. Polkadot has a sophisticated governance system where all stakeholders have a voice. Network upgrades are coordinated on chain and enacted autonomously and without forking the network, ensuring that Polkadot's development remain future-proof and community-driven. Governments. Polkadot token holders have complete control over the protocol. All privileges which on other platforms are exclusive to miners will be given to the relay chain participants, the Polkadot holders, including managing exceptional events such as protocol upgrades and fixes. Staking, game theory incentives, tokens holders to behave in honest ways. Good actors are rewarded by the mechanism, while bad actors will lose their stake in the network. This ensures the network stays secure. Bonding. New parachains are added by bonding tokens. Outdated or non-useful parachains are removed by removing bonded tokens. This is a form of proof of stake. An open source protocol built for everyone. Polkadot is an open source project founded by the Web3 Foundation. Web3 Foundation has commissioned 5 teams and over 100 developers to build Polkadot, including Parity Technologies, ChainSafe, Soramistu, and Polkadot. But before we continue, Bitsgap, all-in-one trading automation platform for Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Best crypto trading bots, smart algorithmic orders, portfolio and demo trading. Everything you need to easily manage your assets within one interface. Now, the benefit of Bitscap is it uses API keys. You connect your exchanges, meaning Bitscap don't have control or can't withdraw any of your funds. Crypto trading bot for Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies like Polkadot. Set automated trading bots on Binance, Bitfinex, Kraken, and over 25 other cryptocurrency exchanges. Looking at the market cap and the rankings of the coins according to CoinGecko, we can see that Polkadot is currently in the 11th position with a 24-hour volume of $843 million and a current market cap of $23 billion. Looking at Polkadot itself, it's currently trading at $20.92 at the time of the recording. Looking at the circulating supply, it's just over 1 billion tokens. Total supply, 1.17 billion tokens. If we go down and look at the max chart since Polkadot has been on CoinGecko, we'll see it started at $2.94. It went up to an all-time high of $54. It has retraced since, but coins that has this big of a market cap has the potential to regain all-time highs again. But let's have a look at our key levels and see what is our buy and sell options. Looking at this chart, we got 7 buy and 7 sell options. The buy options is $19.16, $18.21, $15.88, $13.34, $11.64, $10.16, and a low of $7.20. Having these kind of low orders in place just gives that opportunity if we do see a flash drop and you can be in at the bottom. Now looking at our sell options. Now this is the options everyone always are looking for. We're seeing the first sell option at $26.46, then $32.18, $41.07, $53.35, $60.12, which will be a new all-time high, $87.22, and the highest sell option we're currently looking at is $105. That's a 5x from the current price. Will Polkadot ever reach these levels? Leave me your thoughts and concerns down below and have a great one.